Kenwood Chef mixer. Small problem though, as you can see, the plastic has gone yellow. So I'm not sure if it's picking it up, I think it is. All along here, this has gone yellow. That's nice and white. This I treated already, that was yellow. So what we're going to do, I'll show you how we sort this out. Right, so the idea is we use hydrogen peroxide. So this is a bottle off eBay, a few pounds, but you need 40% volume, 40 volume and 12%. And yeah, it's good stuff, just don't get it on your clothes. So what we're going to do is now put some probably on the front here. Yeah, I think that's it. What we're going to do is put a dab on some paper. You might want to put some gloves on for this. And then we just, that's quite a bit actually. Let's just block that up a bit. Right, and then we're just going to rub it on, just on the yellow bits. So this one's obviously sat in the sun on one side, it's been in the kitchen. One side's completely fine, but this bit is completely changed colour. Let's just do that as well. Right, I think that is it. So the next bit, we want to cover this because we don't want it drying off. Right, I was looking for cling film ideally, but we haven't got any. So I'm using an old bag which I'll sellotape these bits round, and then basically we're just going to leave it in the sun. Right, there we go. No sellotape, so we have to use masking tape. And all we need to do now is put this in the sun. So let's have a look. This has been out in the sun all day now with the hydrogen peroxide and the plastic on the side, and there we go. So that would work pretty well. Maybe a bit of yellow there, but all of that looks good. So I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah, I'll do it before and after at the end of this video, so we can see. Okay, thanks for watching. What I did throughout the day, actually, before I forget, is that the hydrogen peroxide, which I'll wipe off in a bit with a baby wipe, but I kind of added it throughout the day because it was drying out, because I didn't have proper cling film. I was just using an old supermarket bag. So yeah. Anyway, yep. Thanks for watching.